All right, in this video, we're going to talk about the different pre-approvals and in which situation you want which type. So this is first-time homebuyer advice, and it's going to be all about pre-approvals. If you like this video, please like it, and if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. All right, so pre-approvals. There are actually different kinds of pre-approvals in the mortgage industry. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, you know I like the fully underwritten pre-approval. It eliminates any surprises and makes your offer stronger. They do, however, take a little bit longer, usually around 7 days. Reason for this is because the file actually gets reviewed and approved by a real underwriter. There's a bit more work that goes into it. So if you're a first-time home buyer or a second-time buyer for that matter, and you're like, I just want to get prepared, I don't want anything to be screwed up, I want it to be perfect, a fully underwritten pre-approval is the way to go, 100%. Every single time, right? And if you're like, well, I want to start looking a month from now or 2 months from now, apply now. That will allow us to get everything dialed in well before that time comes. Now, sometimes people just want speed. You know, I need a pre-approval like yesterday. And that's fine. There's a basic pre-approval. There are lenders that will issue a pre-approval or really it's a pre-qualification since no income documents will be verified. Now, I will do this in really rare circumstances, like you have to be salaried. Now, I'm going to do 14 different disclaimers with 100 questions with you on the phone because without reviewing documents, we're just kind of crossing our fingers with that piece of paper, right? So if a lender is going to give you a pre without reviewing any income docs, just cross your fingers because something might go sideways. They're going off what you inputted and nothing has really been verified. Certainly not my favorite, and I really don't recommend this route at all. Now, the happy medium would be a regular pre-approval, or at least that's how I issue them. I'll do a basic pre-approval letter before the fully underwritten letter just so people don't have to wait and they can go out shopping, right? Now, this pre-approval letter means we've submitted all your documents and we've reviewed them. We've run the file through our automatic underwriting system and we're comfortable giving you a letter. This is great, right? Because you can go shopping with this approval and even better, feel confident in it. So what you want to do is talk to your lender and ask them what type of approval do you have and also ask why. I think that's the big disconnect in the industry. People are getting an approval letter, but they don't really know what's happened, right? Someone will come to me and be like, yeah, they approved me, and I'll ask them, well, did they get your income documents? And sometimes the answer will be no. That's kind of when I'll have a discussion about the different types of approval letters and talk about the reasons for getting a stronger letter. So here's the thing. A lot of times people just want speed. You know, I need ASAP. And there are lenders that will churn out approval letters, and when you get something under contract, just hope that, you know, it gets approved, right? But that's really not what's good for you. Because when you get under contract, meaning the seller has accepted your offer, you're putting up money. You're saying, I'm good to go. You're paying for the house inspection. You're paying for the appraisal. You could be even paying for a termite inspection or well inspection. So it's a lot of money out of your own pocket. From my personal perspective and the way I've structured my business, I want to make sure your file is as strong as possible because no one likes to have the conversation saying, you know, hey, listen, I can't do this deal. And look, if you buy a car in the middle of the transaction and that's why I can't do the loan, I don't feel as bad, to be honest. But that's why I always suggest the full underwritten approval. And if you don't have time for that, then get an approval where income documents have at least been reviewed by a loan officer. So if you're looking to get pre-approved, make sure you're giving the lender some time to review everything. I hope this video was helpful. It was a lot, but it's important for you to know the different types of different approvals.